In this video, BMW K1600, I will show you how to put the side covers back on and the procedure or the steps to taking them off. You can see I already did the right side. The process is the same for either side. We're on the right side here. Now the first cover that needs to be placed back on is this cover right here. The big, well, this one's blue, but whatever color it is, the one that says K1600 on your bike, GTL, BMW, whatever. If you pull the air deflector away, you'll see that there's one bolt here by the control panel, bolt here. On the bottom, there's a bolt here and one here. And on the front of this cover, right by the turn signal, there's a bolt in here. And there's one way down in here. All the bolts are in. You're going to hand tighten everything. All right, this is going to be your next panel that needs to be placed onto the bike. Now this has a plastic pin here. That has to go inside the grommet, which is underneath this panel here. You'll see it or feel it. It can be tricky to get that in there. Okay. Once you get that in there, there's two bolts. One goes in here and one goes up in here. On the bottom of the panel, you're going to see two holes, and that's where two bolts are going to go. The next piece is going to be this panel here, the side panel, and that goes up in here like that. This little clip here has to go underneath this large panel, so that goes in first. Turn it down and over. Now you're going to notice when you do this yourself that these screws inside here on both sides are shorter than all the other screws. Make sure the door closes and opens properly. Now, to remove all this stuff, it's going to be the opposite. You're going to remove this cover first. You're going to remove this cover second. And then this cover will be the last cover you remove. I find that to be the easiest way to do it. First time you do, you'll be a little nervous, but it's really not that complicated. Just to let you know, every bolt is a T25. And that's all I got. Any questions, comments, leave them down below. I hope this video is helpful in some way. Take care.